Good afternoon. We are in Raja Ampat and we are staying at the Papua Arts Homestay. And today is such a beautiful day. It's low tide right now, so we're not going to really go into the water. And we thought, what a perfect opportunity to showcase some of the delicious food that you will have if you stay here. And Mama Nofi has been so sweet. She invited us into the kitchen to give us sort of an Indonesian cooking class. So we are going to get started. We're going to have a red snapper with chopped vegetables for lunch today, and it already looks delicious. So we're going to step into the kitchen and just learn the process of making a delicious Indonesian red snapper. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing that's going on is the kids are prepping all the vegetables. So Uni is with us. She's sort of our English helper out. And Uni, what do we have here today?
We take the skin off. Like this.
Okay, so we got skinning the shallots.
Yeah.
And I see garlic in the bowl, chilies. And are some of these what you bought at the market?
Yeah.
And what are these here?
Candle nut.
Candle nuts.
Yeah.
And I see eggplant. So the kids and Kelly are going to be busy chopping up the vegetables. And Mama Nofi, we've got the red snapper. Wow, a biggie. So Mama Nofi and I are going to get to work on the fish, and that is a biggie. A red snapper and then, whatever fish that is. But the red snapper is looking beautiful, and it looks like she's got it already scaled. So we'll see what work we can do here on the fish.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ini tambah satu lagi.
Awesome.
Okay, one more time.
One more, and where should I cut? So the village that we toured a few days ago, this is where the fish came from. And so Mama Nofi, do they bring the fish out to Mama Nofi, or does she go into the village?
Yeah, she go to there.
Okay, so Mama Nofi got up early, went to the village to get the fish. So she does that trek. And I'm so excited. So we got 3 nice fillets here. All right, so the fish is chopped up. Nice big fillets. How's the vegetables coming along? Woo-hoo.
Yeah,
all right, we'll take
garlic
it.
and shallots, and we'll do chilies next. So.
All right, so the next step onto the fish is we're going to be cutting limes and adding the salt. So Mama Nofi is going to show me the best technique. Okay. Cut in half, squeeze. Okay, seems easy enough. All right, so 3 limes are going into the snapper. This way? Hold the knife the right way. Cooking 101.
Okay.
Okay, and squeeze. Seeds, okay?
Yeah.
All right, 1. And then just, all right, in go the rinds. I'm in good hands here with Mama Nofi. She's the best cook. All right. 3 of these mini limes. In go. Okay, salt. Oh, these are like nice rock salt. Like this much.
Okay.
That's good? More. Keep going. 1.
Hop.
Whoop. Stop. All right. So it's about 2 tablespoons of salt.
Ini ulang kakak lagi.
Okay. Oh boy. All right. Here comes the old Indonesian mixer.
Tercampur.
Oh boy. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Mama Nofi, take over. We'll let Mama Nofi show me how to do it.
Iya.
Mama Nofi.
Yeah, slowly.
She's the best. Yeah.
Okay, ini belum biar meresap enak.
So while Mama Nofi's doing the mixing, we're going to let that sit so the marinade soaks in. But pretty much lime and salt, it's great. All right, while the fish soaks in that lime salt marinade and Kelly, Cedar, and Uni are chopping vegetables, I'll give you a quick tour of the kitchen. So we have all the fresh produce. These are the dragon fruit we picked yesterday. And all types of root vegetables, bananas, produce, all the shelving, and Mama Nofi just doing some cleaning while we are in between. So clean and go. That's the tip, Mama Nofi. Clean while you go. And over here we have Miss Emma, and she's sort of manning the cooking station. We've got the eggplants are going to be cut up as well. Here's all of our cooking station. There's our, can't wait to get into the red snapper. And just a lot of the cooking vessels. So you'll see it's just an open air kitchen, but a very cool, well-equipped kitchen. And here we've got, again, a little bit more of the produce, the chilies, some tomatoes, limes and maybe ginger. I don't know if that's ginger, but it looks some kind of a delicious root that could be really tasty. So lots of just garlic and like bay leaves. And this is where all the magic happens. So again, we are provided by staying here breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and every meal is been outstanding. And again, it's all fresh. I mean, again, if it were me cooking, we'd be having a lot of peanut butter and jelly. But each meal, we're getting fresh fish or chicken, and it's complemented by a variety of yummy, delicious vegetables. So let's touch base here once we get into the cooking. All right, so Mama Nofi's helping Cedar. She has chopped all the vegetables, and we're doing just kind of washing them off. Was that fun, Cedar? Yes, good. Yeah. All right, so now it's time to get the vegetables in. They're going to use a what I would call like a traditional mortar tool. And what was the term that you called it?
Olekan.
Olekan. And again, we're just making like a nice garlic paste. So it's garlic and salt.
Yeah.
All that paste is going to go and help with the fish.
Nice.
All right, Kelly's taking over.
I'm coming over.
And she is smashing up those chilies. So this
I'm
is
gonna get the chili in here.
Quite a nice paste.
Chili, garlic, and salt, shallots. And what is this one? Like a lemongrass or?
Yeah, lemongrass.
Lemongrass is gonna go in there too. So we'll get the paste. And I'm not sure if I'm doing such a great job, so we might let
professional.
Ibu Emma come back over here and help me.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ibu.
Or we won't be eating till dinner.
Yeah, have a real chunky paste.
We'll get this in here.
And what's in that paste again? So that's
shallots, onions, chili,
garlic,
garlic, and the candle
nut,
which is I think maybe hazelnut. Is it like hazelnut?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the lemongrass, right?
Lemongrass.
Oh, it's a nice little chunk. We'll let that cook in there. Some flavors.
so while all that's heating up and we're waiting for that garlic to really brown up and the flavors come out. I should point out that Mama Nofi has been so sweet to let us come into her kitchen. This is not something that I normally do, but the food has been so good, and after kind of building a relationship with Mama Nofi, just kind of organically happens. So it's really cool to see behind the scenes of authentic Indonesian cooking here in the kitchen.
Okay. Yeah. So we just added some turmeric, turmeric powder, and ginger powder.
Ginger powder.
They're like the spices of life, right?
Yeah. Yeah, enough.
Enough? Okay. Ooh. Yeah. The good stuff.
And Ibu Emma hooking it up. It's
Yeah,
already,
here, I'll
I
let
wish
you move
I
in.
wish you could smell because it smells delicious. Oh man. The chili and the turmeric.
And fish.
Yeah.
One.
Ooh, I feel like a new episode of Iron Chef coming on.
Yes, that's right.
Iron Chef Indonesia. Iron Chef Papua. Let's see what's going on in here.
Yeah, beautiful.
Some color, all nice. Yeah. The turmeric giving it the nice color.
The best part about these classes here, this sort of impromptu class, is how friendly Mama Nofi and Miss Emma are with our children. Again, Mama Nofi doesn't speak any English, but just through the universal language of cooking, you're getting these beautiful kind of organic scenes here. So everything's cooking. The ladies, Mama Nofi and Miss Emma, threw together a corn fritter batter earlier today that we're going to enjoy also another savory with our food. And Miss Uni's going to tell us all about what's in here.
We put corn, long bean, and some onion, 1 egg,
And some carrot.
some carrot.
So it's going to be a full meal. We also just learned they're going to make a little dragon fruit juice for us. So these are the dragon fruits that we picked yesterday at the Dragon Fruit Farm.
Jus buah naga.
You know, if you've never thought about a cooking class, it's a fantastic way to get the kids involved. I know our kids have talked about how much they've enjoyed the food, and to be part of the process, I think is going to be a memorable experience for them, especially with Mama Nofi and Miss Emma and Ibu Uni helping out with everything.
So now that the terong or the eggplant is already cooked, we are going to make a sauce that's going to be put on it afterwards. So I'm going to add some oil in. And Ibu Emma has made a paste out of the rest of the shallots and the garlic.
Man, a champion of a meal here. This is going to be incredible.
Oh man, the garlic smell in this kitchen is amazing. All right, so we just added a little ketchup, manis.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
I don't know, I think it's like black bean. It's made out of beans. It's kind of like a really thick soy sauce. Okay, so hopping all over the kitchen. This is a busy place. We have the fish sitting here stewing still, but now the eggplant is into the sauce, and it's just gonna kind of cook in there for a little bit, soak up the soy sauce flavor and the garlic flavors. All right, it is time to transfer the fish into this awesome fish plate. So just kind of drain it a little. Whoop. And Granite's favorite thing is to take all the juice and put it on top of the rice that it comes with. This is my favorite part. Since I'm not such a good cook, I can decorate. Fresh tomatoes with this sauce on top. Yeah. Okay, now it is time to plate the eggplant. We'll add it here, and then we'll add some sauce right on top of it afterwards.
So Mama Nofi's kitchen is a busy place. There is always a job to be done. So you've got people cooking and frying, you've got cleaning going on, you've got rice being scooped. So it's just a busy place, and it's really fun for us to be part of the energy and the atmosphere here in the kitchen.
Okay, so here I have the pre-fried shallots, and we're gonna add those to this delicious eggplant dish, which is gonna be good. Give a nice crunch and a little bit of crisp and salt.
Oh, we're getting so close to food time now. Now it's transferring the food out of the kitchen over to the dining area. Wow, what an experience we had with this Mama Nofi cooking class. Totally fantastic. And a big thank you to Mama Nofi, Miss Emma, and Miss Uni for letting us invade their kitchen and see the process and really be part of the process.
Yep, they put a lot of love and time into cooking for us, and we can tell because the food is absolutely delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right. Thank you. Terima kasih.